This is a 12-month warranty inspection. I'm in Myrtle Beach and I am in the attic, and look at what we have here. Truss is broken. It's not just broken, it's missing all the way from that gusset to here. And the one next to it, I'm gonna have to move a little bit. Where are we at? Broken, where is that? There it is. Cracked in half right at the knot. They use the cheapest lumber on trusses today. This is like crappy lumber. 12-month warranty inspection. How in the world did somebody miss this? So what's going to need to happen is a structural engineer will need to be contacted. He's going to need to come up with a method of repair for both trusses, create a document, and then somebody from the builder will have to come in, make the repair, and then that document needs to stay in the attic space so that when this customer goes to sell his home, he has it for the next buyer and the next home inspector who finds this. 12-month warranty inspection.